Happy New Year and welcome back to the Voice Savvy YouTube channel. Now with the new year upon us, it is the perfect time to talk about goal setting, specifically for us singers. So today I'm going to share with you a simple and effective way to set your singing goals for the new year. So let's get started. So goal setting can sometimes feel overwhelming, right? I know sometimes I felt overwhelmed in the past, but it really doesn't have to be overwhelming, and we can keep it simple. The key is to keep it simple and achievable. But first, think about what it is that you're really wanting to improve and achieve in your singing this year. Is it expanding your vocal range, performance skills, or maybe learning a new style of singing? But once you have a clear idea, write it down. It's so powerful when you write it down and that you see it on paper. It makes it real, you know. Now, once you've thought about that, I really want you to break the goal into smaller, manageable steps. For example, if you do want to expand your vocal range, then steps could include specific vocal exercises, regular practice sessions, and then maybe even lessons with a vocal coach. Now, these smaller steps are your roadmap to really just achieving your goal, and this can make the journey so much less daunting and overwhelming and just even more structured, you know. But remember, it's important to set realistic timelines for each of those steps, and this is going to keep you on track and help you to measure your progress. And that's pretty much it from me. It's just about keeping it simple, just having your goals down, pin it up on the wall somewhere so that you can keep track of it. And remember, this can be flexible. Your goals don't have to be set in stone. You can change them along the way as well. But the most important thing is that you keep moving forward and you just keep taking those steps towards your goals, you know. If you're ready to set goals and elevate your singing journey, download my free goal setting worksheet today. It's crafted to really bring that structure and that clarity to your ambitions, and this worksheet will be your first steps towards defining and achieving your singing goals for 2024. It's more than just a sheet, it's a roadmap to success. So don't miss out on this opportunity to transform your dreams into achievable targets. I'll leave the link below so that you can go ahead and download that. But set your goals, believe in yourself, and make this year your best singing year yet. It can be your best singing year yet. Also, if you're looking for a little more guidance on your singing journey this year, then check out my 6 weeks Become a Pro Singing program, which starts on the 13th of January, and it's for singers of all levels. It's a combination of digital tutorials as well as live coaching, and it will really get you the results that you're looking for. I'll leave the link below so you can check that out for yourself. But yeah, that's pretty much it from me. Happy New Year again. This year is gonna be your best year yet. I believe it. Make sure that you claim it, and I will see you soon. Peace.